we're going to talk today about persuasion. So, first of all, what is persuasion? Persuasion is convincing, right? You're trying to persuade someone, you're trying to convince someone about something. There are a lot of things in our daily life we are trying to convince people. Different people we're trying to persuade, in different ways we're trying to do it. So we generated a list of different people that we are trying to persuade. Some of the people can be mom, dad, stepmom, stepdad, brother, sister. So people in our family, okay? We're trying to persuade people in our family, friends. We're trying to convince our friends about something, or teachers, or the principal, right? Those are some people that we are coming up with, that we're trying to persuade. Things that we might trying to persuade these people about: maybe getting a pet, okay? Getting some school supplies, extra recess, or free time. It's the teacher. Can be candy, taking a vacation, or playing games. Maybe getting a game, having no homework. That's a fun one. Maybe not doing homework, okay? Or being able to do fun things that you like to do. Now, there are certain methods that we use, different ways that we use to persuade people that we talk about, okay? So for a good cause, something is for a good cause. Something is persuasive, something that we need. So it's our needs. It's going to be needs. Something that can be found useful, okay? Something that is educational. Something that will lower our stress. Something that is very good for health. Something that can make us smarter. All of these reasons, or different ways that we might persuade people. For example, you can persuade teacher to give you extra recess because it's good for your health, okay? Maybe you want to persuade mom or dad to get a pet because pets they can lower stress. They add a lot of stress to a family, but they can also lower your stress if you have a pet and help you relax, okay? Maybe you want to persuade your friend to share their candy with you, and maybe you can somehow convince them that it's a need, that you need this candy, although it's not. These are different people who were persuaded, different things that we're trying to get from them, and there are different ways that we're trying to convince those people. Remember, we're talking about when we use different ways to persuade, we need to think about people who we persuade. If we're just talking about our own opinion, we can say, because I like it, because it's fun. But the people that we're trying to persuade are not necessarily going to see things the same way as we are. So we have to think about things that going to impact the people that we're trying to persuade. So this is the lesson about persuasion.